In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Coinbase wire transfers, full 2025 guide. If you're looking to move larger amounts quickly, wire transfers are the way to go. They typically have higher limits and faster settlement than standard bank transfers, though they may include fees and are processed during banking hours. Before we start, make sure your Coinbase app is updated and you're signed in on the device you'll use. It also helps if your identity verification is complete and your bank supports domestic or international wires in your region. Go ahead and open your app. Give it a second to load fully so all the menus populate. When you're on the home screen, you should see your portfolio overview and quick actions. This is the starting point for everything we'll do next. Next, tap the three lines at the top left side of the screen. That's the main menu icon. It opens up all of your navigation options so you don't have to hunt through different tabs. From that menu, select Account and Settings. This section is where Coinbase keeps your personal preferences, security controls, and all funding and payout options. It's the central place to manage how money moves in and out of your account. Inside Account and Settings, tap Wire Transfer. This opens the dedicated area for bank wires. Here, Coinbase usually shows clear instructions, any fees, processing estimates, and your eligibility or limits. Take a moment to read what's on screen so you understand how wires work for your specific account and country. At this point, you can either withdraw or deposit a wire transfer. Choose deposit if you're sending money from your bank into Coinbase to fund your account. Choose withdraw if you're moving funds from Coinbase back to your bank via wire. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll typically review important details like the currency, the destination, and any limits or fees before confirming. Keep in mind that wire transfers settle through the banking system, so timing can depend on business days and cutoff times. Names on your bank account should match your Coinbase profile to avoid delays, and wires generally can't be reversed once sent. If you see any security checks or confirmations, complete them as requested to keep your account secure. And that's it. You opened the app, went to the home screen, used the three-line menu, entered Account and Settings, selected wire transfer, and from there you can deposit or withdraw by wire. If your interface looks a little different, the path is the same idea. Open the main menu, go to Account and Settings, then wire transfer, and follow the instructions shown on your screen.